Hey everybody. So I don't know if you knew this, but I have a preschool, and right now the kids are playing in the backyard with my partner, husband, teacher, and we have a moment to do some yoga. So this is how the life goes, right? Just a little bit of stealing a moment whenever you can. So we're going to do our 2-week yoga challenge, and today is day 5. So we're going to work on some hip opening and also opening our shoulders. So we're working through our trapezius and then all of the hip flexor. It's so delicious. So we're going to start with a downward dog. In downward dog pose like this, ground your hands and splay your fingers and your feet hip distance apart. How do you know that it's the correct downward dog? Because when you plank up, this is plank, right? Like we're going into a push-up, but just at the plank, if your feet are in the correct position for you to make a straight line, then you know when you pop your seat up, that's actually going to be the perfect downward dog. Now do your best with your feet hip distance apart. Do your best to push back and push your heels down into the ground. And let your head relax. Take a few breaths in this pose. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Remember that I explained to you guys about the bandhas. So now I'm going to incorporate that into our yoga. So the Uddiyana Bandha here, engage your core. So don't just let it like that, right? We want to engage, and that's really important. So in this pose, we are actually going to engage not only the Uddiyana Bandha, but remember the perineum, the floor of the body. We are going to engage the Mula Bandha. So look at some of our previous videos to explain in more detail about what that is. So from plank to downward dog, push heels into the ground, adjust your feet slightly if you need to, and let your head rest. Engage your Uddiyana Bandha, engage your Mula Bandha, which is basically engage your core, and breathe. Tongue to the roof of the mouth, inhale. Exhale through your nose. Inhale. Exhale. And from here, we're going to just, if you're tired, just put your knees down. Remember to engage your core. Yeah, sometimes we do this and this. That's okay. But in general, we're going to engage our core. And we're going to take our right hand and we're going to thread the needle, as they say. So we're going to go all the way through and then put your shoulder down like that. And just hang out there for a minute. What am I doing? I'm opening my trapezius. It's an amazing stretch and exercise. So do that. Do that on both sides. Hold for as long as you want. We're also twisting our spine. It's an amazing, amazing stretch. Really powerful. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to now stretch our hip flexors. So come back into the downward dog pose and inhale. And on the exhale, bring your right knee to your heart. And then drop that foot in. And looks like this. My foot is as high as I want it to be here, parallel with the mat. Or if that feels painful, you can bring it in a little bit closer to your body, like that. Just whatever level you want. Sometimes what people do too is they'll put another yoga mat or a block right here under their seat, and that's helpful. And then come down onto your forearms. In all of these poses and all of this, whatever level that you can do is correct. There's no, you're in the comfort of your own home. Just do any stretching is good. I always tell people any yoga is good yoga. And remember, yoga is not just the asana. Yoga is also all of the branches of yoga. It's how we live our lives. It's the clean thoughts. It's the positive thoughts, right? It's also how we eat. It's a conscious life. And here comes my kitty. Pause for kitty video. And so from here, basically, while I'm talking to you, we're stretching, yeah? And now we're going to come back up and we're going to bring our back leg in and actually walk around to the outside of the forward leg, hands flat on the ground, and twist and look all the way back. All of these are amazing, not just, well, we're working so many different parts of our body, but this is really great twisting action. And now I'm going to take the back leg and I'm actually going to bring it forward and bring it on top of the other leg in what feels like a box here. So if I was facing you, this is what it looks like. It's really like a box right here. You could picture a box, as opposed to where we're just relaxed and we're doing, you know, some kind of a different kind of the cross-legged pose. So this one, we are really flexing our feet so it feels more like a little box. Now, if you can't get there, if your leg's way up like this, that is okay. Just give your legs some love. Say, I love you, body. Good. Okay, almost done here. Stretching, doing whatever kind of twist that you want to do. I can hear that my preschoolers are coming in now, so do both sides. And when you're done with that, you can go into your upward stretch, which is the scorpion, and back to downward dog, jump, and clap, clap, clap. Remember in our other videos, we're bringing it all together, aren't we? Invert your palms, go all the way up, 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 and namaste. Remember to do both sides, and we will be doing some more exercises tomorrow for day 6. Make sure you watch this whole series, 2 weeks of videos. All right, love you all so much. Mwah!